everyone, welcome to Druv Online Academy. In this video, we can see how to improve your scores in Comprehension Unit. Comprehension questions generally check our thinking ability, language skills and level of understanding. Scoring full marks in this unit has a great chance of boosting our overall score in paper 1. It is also relatively easier when compared with other units. It is easier to score full marks in this comprehension unit. But we all tend to make some major mistakes and lose that chance. Not anymore. In this video, we will see what to do and what not to do to get maximum score in this comprehension unit. We tend to assume answers randomly or based on what we know already. So this is the most common mistake all of us make in comprehension unit. The passage in reality, it might give a very different meaning or it might convey a different message or perspective. So we have to read through the passage carefully to understand the main theme of the passage and the unique perspective or the unique viewpoint of the passage. And we know that NET exam is a national level competitive exam. So we cannot expect direct answers and the questions to be direct and straightforward. Sometimes we might have to read between the lines to know the intended meaning. What is the interpretation of that statement and what it could possibly imply. Only based on these we need to choose our answers. Also try setting a particular time limit for answering comprehension questions because sometimes the passage might be very lengthy or complicated and we will spend more of our time in these questions and we might not have enough time for other questions. Time management is extremely important in NET examination. So set a time limit and try to finish comprehension unit questions within that time limit. Another most common mistake that we make is we think that this comprehension unit is very general and it is very easy and it does not require any kind of preparation. We underestimate the importance of this unit and we just skip it in our preparation. Please don't do that. It also requires practice. It takes a lot of effort to master the comprehension unit. And don't forget, you get 5 questions from this unit, which means that there is a lot of scope to score from these 5 questions. So don't miss on that. But how do we prepare for a general unit like comprehension? We'll see that now. First, develop a regular reading habit. This will improve your vocabulary. Also, you will not get bored while reading the passage and trying to understand it. Practicing the previous year questions also help in this. While preparing for paper 1, allot a separate schedule to practice comprehension passages and questions. It would help if you time your practice sessions because this way we can work on both speed and accuracy. Try your level best to follow these tips and mindfully avoid the mistakes mentioned in this video. If you do that, definitely your score in comprehension will improve. Hope these tips help you in scoring 10 on 10 in comprehension. That's for today. Tomorrow we will start revising communication unit. Please do subscribe to Druv Online Academy. Thank you.